Stay Crafty. Welcome to my channel for how to kill a kit with style. I just wanted to share with you what I'm going to use for my kill a kit this month. I am actually going to use these lovely citrus twist, I believe that's what, right? Yeah, citrus twist kits that they used to do. I love them. They're amazing. They have so many good things, and I want to document more in my Life Crafted album. Because that is what the format I'm actually using for this year's album. I wanted to try it out. So I bought a bunch of their kits. They had a sale, I think, earlier this year. I'm pretty sure I did a haul video. If I find it, I will link it down below. But I really love these kits, and I love the kits that they put out each month now that are mixtures, and they're all 12 by 12 of the current collections, kind of, and some mixtures of old. But I really want to use these up because I purposely bought them to use in my Life Crafted album that is for this year. So I'll just kind of go through quickly what they are. I'm not going to do super details. But this is Hustle and Heart, and I think these kits are either from 2020 or 2019. I can't remember for specifically, but this is what I wanted to do. So it came with some chipboard, and I've used some things already. Some chipboard. This one's called Hustle and Heart. Some chipboard like phrases and circles and arrows with some good stuff on it. Some chipboard stars. Some tiny word stickers. These are all Life Crafted branded. Some cut apart labels. Some ephemera. I love their ephemera, but there's good stuff. There's like tags. This one has some ephemera pieces that look like yardsticks, measuring tape. Some cute little mushrooms. This one has some snowflakes in it even, because I think this was kind of fall into winter. Hustle and Heart. And then some puffy alphas. There's always a stamp. This one's got a lot of guy stuff. It says, he's my guy. Well, that's one way to get it done. Details of life. Oh my, Hustle and Heart. Heck yes. There's always, pocket cards. And then they have these awesome 6x8 papers that then fit their Life Crafted quite well. And there's some bigger pocket cards. Yeah, this one I've used a little bit. So I kind of want to play with these and get some of the stuff scrapbooked. So yeah, like I said, this one is Hustle and Heart. And what I love too about these is that you can always use the other side. The little tickets or the little cards that say what collection it is. You can always use the other side because they use their stuff to do this. Or put branding on it. So we're going to do that. And then this one is, I might have used one of the things already. This is also another fall one. I really like this one. I've used it a bit because see, I've already cut it apart. This says pumpkin spice. That's for paper. So another bunch of papers. Like I said, I've used this one up a bit already. Some awesome foam, like glitter alphas, which are fun. Another cut apart, like usual. The cards. Stamps. This one. This one had some some wood veneer. The cardstock, chipboard. These were Yes Girl, Whoop, Grateful Heart, Audacious and Bridal, Joy, Happy Soul. Some just good stuff. This was Gratitude. Vellum. And these were some puffy stickers like Road Trip, Watching, some half circles, A Day at the Market. There's an ice cream cone. So a lot of different mixtures of stuff. Yeah, I think I used the little tag that said what this one was called, but yeah, I don't remember what this one was called. Like I said, these are old. They might be in the shop still if they have leftovers. Otherwise, I think they were doing a sale just to kind of purge them. So I don't remember what that one's called, but it has a lot of good stuff in it. We got a lot of spring and summer to scrapbook yet. I haven't printed a lot of the fall photos, so we'll see about that. And then third, so you'll see a lot of Life Crafted album from me this month. This one, again, papers, beautiful papers. They're all single-sided. Some lovely gold foil puffy phrases and icons. So some of the scallop, big words, hearts, arrows, a big hashtag, which is fun. This one has a lot of stuff to do with food in it. Here's chipboard. Another wood piece. Oh yeah, because this was wrong. It says conversations instead of conversations. There's no N. Conversations instead of con. So they put a little wood piece in. Always ephemera, the cut aparts, the cards, these little tiny alphas, which I love. And then this stamp, they were kind of all fall themed. Pumpkin spice latte, I'm here for fun, eat, stay and eat. I think more Thanksgiving themed. So these must have been like the August, September, October kits is my guess. But yeah, I'm excited for them and I want to document more of this stuff. So we're going to use that stuff up. Maybe I'll try to even get some current photos printed so I can use this. We're going to see how much of these we can use up is my goal. Or we just use them and not worry about the stamps as much for what they are, but maybe I'll, oh yeah, here's this one. Here at my table, this one's called. And I love that it always says something like the gathering place where friends and friends become family. So lots of fun, gorgeous stuff. So that is what I'm going to use for my How to Kill a Kit. Let's see if we can get some more of this year documented. My goal is to then get some this like very recent pictures printed. So I can get, because this stuff's very fall themed. So we'll see if I can get some recent pictures printed and we're going to work on my Life Crafted album. All right. So that is what I'm using, and I can't wait to see how much we make a dent in it. That will be awesome. Okay, see you guys when we start it. Bye.